Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 2nd of June 2020. So the small caps are soaring along with silver, and so is the social unrest as it continues to rage, and also the nation is burning as well. And again, this complete disconnect to what's going on socially with 40 million jobs lost in the last 9 weeks, and also the complete destruction of the US economy. But that doesn't matter as long as the bankers are getting their bonuses and the market's moving to the upside. That's all the elite are concerned about, and we can see this yesterday in the Dow as prices from this high to this low are now heading towards the 89% retracement, and the 200 MA is also above there as well. So it'll be interesting to see what happens if prices can get to this level. But at the moment they've managed to take out both the 76 and the 62 from both points here. You've got this high to this low, and then this high, this one here to this low. So you've got a major and a sort of a minor retracement area there. And the same in the DAX. We'll have a look at that as well. You can see a similar picture as well, closer to the 200 MA though, but also above the 89% as well, drawn from this high to this low. So like all stock markets, they tend to follow one another. So in the Dow 5-minute chart yesterday, you can see again the classic shakeout at the beginning. The market drops below the 200 MA through the DP and then moves down, and you can see the green in the red bars there. This is highlighting the buying coming into the market. The market switches and then we move to the upside, which you'll see there, more or less a double top in the prices in the pre-market session. You can see there, and then prices attempt to move higher, but then we get a retracement here. I'll just draw this in for you and take out the extend right. You'll see there the price is coming back to just below 89%, and again you see the buying coming into the market, prices moving to the upside and then trailing sideways throughout the remainder of the session. Overnight, you can see just before the close there, prices moving lower, and then we get again that 76% retracement, market moving higher, banging its head against the 200 bar moving average there, and once again a retracement towards the bottom. You can see these patterns all the time, as you'll see there, prices coming back to these levels here. You'll see them within these levels as well, and the same here. Doesn't matter whether it's the Dow or the DAX, you'll see exactly the same patterns. And then prices starting to move higher, and now as I record, just having managed to move through the 200 MA and back above the DP. And this will be the same for the German DAX as well, which we'll have a look at now. I'll look at the 5-minute there. And yesterday you can see prices in the morning session between 8 and 10. See prices again doing that same thing, and eventually it moves lower. I've noticed that the DAX doesn't move so much now in the first hour or two, and then starts to move thereafter, and you can see there where the market moved lower. And again you can see that retracement, and off we go. You get these retracements as the market moves through towards the afternoon, and once again from the low to the high you'll see a 62% retracement there, just as the afternoon session kicks off and prices move up 100 points, and then continue throughout, following and trailing the Dow there as well. Overnight, similar picture, a bit stronger actually, I suppose, in one sense, but again you see that exact same pattern there where the market moved to higher, then retraces again, and now just starting to move in anticipation of the futures contracts opening at 7 a.m. and then 8 a.m. you've got the cash market. News for today, let's have a quick look and see what we've got. Well, it's an Italian bank holiday today. There's no other news, so there's no reason why any of these markets, whether it's the DAX or the Dow moving to the upside there. And in the implied volatility, this down at 26, again still sideways at the moment. Could do with a shakeout to the downside, but eventually this is going to all, as ever, will kick off again with a leg to the downside. It's just a matter of when, but the implied volatility is back sufficiently for that to take effect whenever it turns up. But at the moment, as we can see, prices are still moving to the upside in both the Dow and the DAX. Okay, that will do it for this one. If there is anything else to report, I will let you know. But otherwise, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.